So if I told you you can look dashing and also save some coins, would you listen to me? Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jherminee. If you're new, if not, welcome back. And I know you've been hearing a lot of girls talk about their high maintenance routines and how much they cost. You know, the most I ever heard of one is like a $700 high maintenance routine. And I'm like, wow, that's a lot. I'm going to be sharing my products that I use to save money and also to keep myself feeling and looking good, like you should too. Because I really feel like if you look good, you feel good, right? So let's get into lashes. I get my lashes from Walmart and they are the brand Kiss, and it's called Lash Couture. And at first they're a little hard to put on, but it got easier and easier as time went by, and literally I applied them on with no problem. I think the trick now is to wait until the glue is like tacky and it's super easy to add on. They're $9.12. So usually lashes range from anywhere from $120 to about $300. And also you gotta be careful who you're giving your services to. Now, yes, there are good lash technicians out there, but there's some that are just doing it to just make money, and you're coming home with lashes that, one, you don't like, or two, I think I saw this video or the picture and the girl's eyelashes were just puffy and just disgusting and pussy. And that's another thing. You got to make sure they're sanitary. They're wiping their equipment down. So as well as me at home, I make sure I wipe off my tweezers when I use them, and I store my extra lashes in a safe place. I do not leave them where my kids can get to them no more. If you want a video of me doing that and basically make a tutorial, I would just leave it in the comments down below and I would love to share. I like mine to look like there's length to it, but also natural. I don't really like them too bushy. That's just me personally. Now if you do, you can just add more lashes underneath the eye, like eyelash. That's what I do. But yeah, you can just add more eyelashes and it will fill it up to your pleasing. So I just like adding less, which gives me more of the natural look. And there you go. Number two, I do my own mani and pedis for several reasons. Let's see how much your regular mani and pedi will add up to. I will honestly say at one time I almost spent like $200, but let's see. Average of mani and pedi. Oh, the extreme is $60 for a mani. And then for a pedicure, it could be anywhere from like $70. So if you add 60 and 70 together, and if you're going to a high-end salon, forget about it. You probably be paying like $200 if you're getting acrylic designs and everything else. Me personally, I like to do mine in the comfort of my home. One, because I get too antsy when I'm sitting down too long. My fingers are so stubby. And also, they're not that lengthy. My fingers are short. So I don't know if that what makes my fingernails so sensitive, but I know they nick me sometimes and it's not relaxing. And I feel like when I get my nails done and my feet done, I should be relaxed. And the hygiene of certain nail salons are just not there. Like, you just don't know. And then I feel like I'm going on and on, and then I feel like the way they exfoliate your heels, I found out that's not the right way they should do it. And one time, I'm gonna be honest, they used a cheese grater on my feet and it was a bit awkward. And you're probably wondering how I do my nails at home. It's literally collecting items like this and having my own equipment. So this is literally all the utensils or the equipment I use for my nails. I mainly do gel polishes because it lasts longer and it's easier to learn, because it's just like painting your nails, but you just need to add certain things to help the gel stick to your nails. And then you're just going to have to invest into a LED light, which is fairly affordable, on, you know, Amazon, and there you go. You have literally everything you need, and mainly everything I bought is Amazon friendly. I'm not gonna say I'll never go again, but for now I do my nails and my feet at home, my hands and my feet at home, and maybe if I find a good place to actually trust, I would get my nails done there, probably anniversary, birthdays, you know, stuff when things, occasions where I shouldn't be. Or I can hire just a individual that do nails independently, because there are those that do that. I have somebody I know that do it in California, and she do it in the comfort of her home, and she's pretty good at it, and I can tell she's very passionate, so you know her stuff is clean. And if you're in the California area, I would definitely put her link down here if you're interested. Never ever got my eyebrows professionally laminated, but I did mines. Yeah, I did mines in the comfort of my home by purchasing an application kit on Amazon. I know. It could have been a failure, but it wasn't. I read the directions and I read the reviews of other people that used the application kit, and it came out perfect. I love the way that laminating my eyebrows have my eyebrows feeling so much fuller, and I feel so much more beautiful. And that's the one thing I do love about doing my services or keeping my maintenance routine, because I feel good about myself and it gives me more confidence. Alright, so the eyebrow lamination kit, I will put it right here. I spent $28.99 and it just says CC Lash, and it did its job. Eyebrow lamination can cost anywhere from like $122 to like $35, depending on your state. There you go, you got it from me. Oh, we cannot leave hair out the routine. So I'm a naturalista. I do my natural hair. So I do like to use Curl Talk. I do use the Define Cream and also the Anti-Freeze Gel. And I also use the, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but I use the oil and I use it to seal it. And I follow the LCGO. So it's basically I add the liquid, cream, gel, and oil, and it works. It works for me. I'll put the YouTuber name down below that gave me the idea, and it works. It works so good, and I've never been so confident with my 4C hair. When I want to just have days where I don't want to do my natural hair, I do have wigs. I do. I have 3 wigs. I have a synthetic wig that was very affordable and it looks real. Then I have an orange wig, which I'm going to probably be dyeing and cutting bangs to it, and you'll see why. I can't wait to show you. Then I have a regular black wig when I just want to be natural. And 2 of those wigs were invested, but the other synthetic wigs was affordable, and them synthetic wigs are doing wonders nowadays. And let's get into waxing. So now waxing, so you can pay anywhere from like $65 on. There are very affordable waxing services, but I really want to do laser hair removal because I'm starting to get to the point where I'm learning that hairs in certain areas aren't that hygienic. If that makes sense. I hope that's a word too. So I started shaving a little bit more. I actually used the Venus bikini razor that I purchased from HEB. I think it was like 30 bucks. I'll put the correct price down here. And to prevent ingrown hair, which is definitely a problem when you shave down there, I used the topical Ingrown roller that literally does wonders. As soon as I was done shaving down there, I applied it as soon, and then whenever I feel a little irritation or itchiness, I just apply it and it goes away. And usually the itchiness is from the hair that's trying to grow back, and that's where the ingrown hair is caused. So there's 2 things you can do. You can learn how to shave down there, which there's plenty of videos out there to teach you how to shave in the correct direction, and then apply the topicals Ingrown roller, which is amazing. And don't forget, your girl is an insider with topicals, so I have a code just for you if you want to try the product and have less irritation when you shave. but I really do want to try the laser hair removal, just because I know in the long run I really want my hair not down there no more, because it creates so much problems. These are all the 5 things I do in the comfort of my home to basically substitute the services outside to save money. Now, everybody make it seem like to enjoy this luxury of feeling and looking good, you have to throw money away heavily, and that's not true at all. You literally just have to either be creative and try to do them at home, or resource them a different way. This is everything, and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy sharing this with you, and I see you next time. Bye.